In this lesson, you will learn how to modify the views within your Revit architecture project. After you are familiar with these tasks, it will be easier to work in Revit architecture and focus on the concepts of each lesson. First, from the top left corner of the application window, click the menu browser. Then, click Open and locate the training files. For example, on my computer, the training files are located at C, Program Data, Autodesk, RAC 2010 folder. Open the Imperial folder and then open the file RAC UB02 Common Tasks. The 3D isometric view of the project is displayed. Now, notice the navigation bar along the right side of the view. It has two tools with a drop-down each. A tool for the navigation wheel and a tool for zoom. Click on the zoom drop-down arrow to display the zoom menu. Then click Zoom Out. In the drawing area, the view zooms out from the building model. Next, click the Zoom drop-down again, and this time select Zoom to Fit. When you do, the view of the building model is sized to fit the available window. Next, click in the drawing area and type the shortcut 2 letters ZR. When you do, the cursor becomes a magnifying glass, allowing you to zoom in on a region. Now, click the upper left corner and the lower right corner of a region to magnify. When you do, the view zooms in on the selected area. If you use a mouse that has a wheel as the middle button, you can roll the wheel forward to zoom in and roll it backwards to zoom out. You can also click and drag the wheel mouse button to pan. Another way to zoom to fit the view in the window is to right-click in the drawing area and select Zoom to Fit. Next, from the navigation bar, click the steering wheel tool. When you do, the full navigation wheel displays in the drawing area. As you move the mouse, the wheel follows the cursor around the drawing area. Now, move the cursor over the zoom wedge of the wheel so that it highlights. Then, click and hold the mouse button. You'll see that the cursor displays a pivot point for the zoom tool. Now, if you drag the cursor down or left, the view will zoom out. And if you drag the cursor up or to the right, the view will zoom in. You can change the pivot point by releasing the mouse button, moving the wheel to a desired location, and then using the zoom tool again. To exit the steering wheel, press Escape. Then, close the file without saving it, as that concludes this lesson.